See about Ospf nssa. So nssa is nothing but not so stubby area. So now we'll take an FRR router with a Docker and we'll try to simulate this and we'll try to check whether type 7 LSA is sent. So what is LSSA is, it will send an LSA update of type 7 only within this area. So for example, if it wants to redistribute this 4.4.4 to the other sub area, inside this it will use that, and in R2 and R3 it will translate it and give the other side to type 7, type 5. So this is the concept. Very briefly, if you want to more, we'll see in detail about Ospf LSAs. Now in this video we'll see whether we are able to capture LSA type 7 only in this area. So we'll capture in this bridge and these two bridges and we can check. So actually R1, R2, R3 and R4 as well. Here also we have a connection, it is missed actually. So R1 to R2 it is connected, R1 to R3 it is connected, R1, R3 and R4 also connected. So this is 11 network, this is 12 network, this is 30 network, here we have a looper. So this is simulated in using a Docker. So how it is simulated in Docker is, if you are not aware of creating a Docker machine and other things, you can see the previous videos. So I have created three different subnets, subnet 1, subnet 2, subnet 3. So here, this is router 1 and router 2 are connected. Here router and 3 are connected. Router 3, 2 and 4 are connected. This is how it is connected. So now we'll go to the machine. We'll see the scripts what all to run. So this is the script used to run the Docker. It's R1, R2, R3 and R4. So this is to create the bridge. Ospf subnet. So all these things I have given in the blog. It's given in the description in detail. You can check that for all these commands. So this is to remove from the default bridge and add it back. You see Docker network ls. Currently I have already created and installed. You can check all these things. So Docker ps, if you see, it is already running. So these are the 4 Dockers. And this command is used to connect the Dockers. R1, R2 connected, R2, R3 connected, R2, R3 and R4 are connected together using subnet 3. So, going to this one. This is R1. We go to this diagram. This is R1, 11 and 12. 11 and 12. This is R2, 11 and 13. 11 and 13. So this is 12 and 13. R4 only 30 and with the loopback. So this is the configure Ospf. I'm just sharing the configuration. So create a loopback interface. I mean this loopback is not required. Only for R4 it is required. In router, I am advertising 11, 12 and 1. In R2, if you see, the areas is same in R1. Because as per the diagram, all these two interfaces are in area 0. But here one should be in area 0, one should be in area 1. So we'll check that. 11 is in area 0, 13 is in area 1. And making this as nssa. This is the command to make it as an nssa. So here also same thing, one is in area 0 and one is in area 1. And this also make it as a nssa. So this is Ospf where I am giving a redistribute connect to redistribute the routes. Only with this redistribute connect we can see this LSAs. Now I'll remove it and adjust. First we'll see whether that 4.4 is learned in the first router. It is learned. Now we'll try to remove this. removing this as we are sending. Wait for this. So 4 should be removed from there. It is removed. So now we'll try to capture the packets. So if we come to the host node, if we give brctl show, we have three different bridges. This is the bridge which has three interfaces, and this should have the LSA type 7. And these are the other two bridges. This should not have that. So we will try to capture it with TCP dump like this. I have already captured, but still I will share the outputs. So now no configuration is there. There is no redistribution. Go to the last node. Here we will try to give redistribute connect. While giving this, packet is captured. So for capturing, I just do it again. So like this. Give redistribute connect. Wait until the route is learned here. 4.4 should be learned here. Stop this packet capture and we can check. Taken all the packet captures out here. So this is the bridge interface. We just check, cross check this. All these are connected to bridge 3. In this bridge 3 I am capturing this. The hello packet. Just go to the update message packet. Go to LSA update. This should be first one. Check. This is only LSA 1. You can go to the next one. You can see the packet here. Ospf header. Status LS update 4. And then LS update. Number of LSAs is known. LS update type is external LSA, nssa. So here P bit should be there. The propagate bit should be set. Only then it will be propagated in the network. So we can check that. See here P bit is set. So link state advertised router is. So this is how the packet capture is. The other routers we can check. Type 5. These are only type 5 because it is outside NSS. In the other bridge also. Here also it is only type 5. External router. So this is the packet. So it is very simple. You can just configure with the Docker with this setup and you can check. This is also available in the blog. I will give in the link. You can try that, and you can also see this OSPF database for NSSA to see the output. NSSA. Comes everything, this database. Same thing you can check here also. Even you can check all the updates also. You also have this external command. This also you can check. And you also have database which shows whether NSSA packets are sent in which area it is sent, and how it is and everything. For basic OSP, that is another video you can check that. You can check this command show IP OSP neighbor. Show IP row, if it shows 4, then means it is not through OSP. That's it. To recap, actually what we have seen is we have connected 4 routers, one within area 0 and one more within area 1. In area 1, we have configured nssa so that this R1 R2 acts as a translator, so that inside the Ospf area it is type 7 and here it is type 5 to send the redistribute out of loop. We have configured a Docker and all the Docker commands are shared in the blog. And even the packet captures are captured there.